Hi guys, welcome to the Wins Creative channel. So in today's tutorials, I'm going to be showing on how to make this beautiful beret on this beautiful head. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell icon, share my video and give me a like. Alright, this is the fabric I'm going to be using for this tutorials. Okay, I'm going to fold this fabric in the form of flared like this, and I'm going to fold it again the other way just as if I want to cut a flared. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking my radius from that sharp point to 7 inches all round. But if you want a smaller beret, you can do 6 inches. You can also do 5 inches. For me, I kind of want my beret large, so that is why I'm doing a 7 inch. So once I am done marking out my 7 inch and also tracing it, I'm just going to cut it out now. So once I am done cutting out the first flay, I'm going to be using this fourth flay, that is the 360 degrees flay, to cut a second flay. Okay, so I'm now going to place it on it and cut another flay exactly as this one. So once that is done, I'm now going to be taking one of the flares, okay, and from the hem of those flare, I'm going to be marking down 3 inch, okay, in this manner. And once I am done marking down the 3 inch, I'm just going to connect it and then cut it out. Okay, so this is what I got. Okay, the 3 inch I got after cutting it out from the hem. Now I'm going to be placing this on top the other flare. Okay, I'm going to place it like this, and once I have placed it like that, I'm going to pin it and then stitch it up round. So once I stitched it, I'm going to be turning it over to the other side like this. And once I have done that, I'm going to be cutting a band of width 2 inch, and the length is going to be the size of my head. So I'm taking the measurement for my head, and the measurement here is 25. So I'm going to be folding the fabric in a bias form, that's like a scarf. Okay, and once I have done that, I'm just going to measure out my width of 2 inch on it. Okay, and then I will now cut it out. So once I'm done with that, I'm now going to be taking the head circumference, that's the head measurement on the width on the band, which is 25 inch. So 25 by 2 is 12.5. So I'm just going to cut out the 12.5 here and then stitch it in this manner for proper finishing. So you have to just open it up like this and stitch it on the machine like that. Okay, so once I have done that, this is how it is. I'm now going to be turning it over like this. So now I'm going to go around with a stitch on this, okay, just like I have done now. And now I'm going to be placing this band on the other beret, and this is how it looks, guys. As you can see, this is so easy and easy to make. It's a DIY you can do by yourself. And look at it on me, so fine. Alright guys, thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, okay? Share this video and give me likes. Leave your comment. Bye.